Hi, this is Brian Shepard back with another closing print. Today is a little bit different. We had a 17-point handle range so far in the day. We're going into the closing the closing of the cash right now. Today we opened up in the SEP S&Ps at the high of the day once again. We did the same thing, and we've actually over the last, I think couple of months even, a number of times we've either made the high on the opening or the low on the opening, daily highs and lows. Today we opened up again 94.30. It bled through. I think a big overhang in the market was Caterpillar's earnings and talking about lower guidance going forward. Just shedding light on the global economy isn't, it's still limping along. Overnight we had China come out with the PMIs. They missed, and that wasn't necessarily the focus, because yesterday Premier Lee talked about the backstop and supporting any kind of expansion in the economy if needed. After that, we had the European and the U.S. came out, and those were better. There's a lot of chatter about Europe might be coming out of the woods yet from their recent recession. That's yet to be seen. A lot of hopium in that. The S&Ps ended up, trading straight down. Really, there wasn't any kind of, focus as to what the, overall weakness was. But again, I'll point to Caterpillar. Apple was strong, as we know, throughout the day after yesterday's post-close beat. President Obama came on, midday, and prior to him, we had the housing, the new homes number. That was okay, but the market didn't react to that. Then we had President Obama come out, and really I think he was focusing his attention on the middle class and what he's going to do to help support and create job growth. I don't think he came out with any ideas today, but I think he talked about future, focus points, for upcoming speeches. So this is probably going to be one in a series of stuff coming out over the next few months, or maybe a little less. One thing that we looked at is the closing imbalance. The meter was leaning a little to like 80% to the sell side. I think it topped out at 84 to the sell side. Near the release of the imbalance, it went down to like 77%. The number came out as sell to 258 million to the sell side for the cash imbalance, closing imbalance. What we're going to look forward to tomorrow is again a number of economic releases, and forward-looking, we're looking to next week. There's a lot of macro stuff out. We have the FOMC meeting. We've got stuff out of the ECB. So again, some traders are going to be looking forward to that. We're coming up to Friday. I know today's Wednesday, but Fridays have been awfully slow here. So tomorrow might be the day. Support-wise, I'm looking at 1671 to 1673. Underneath that 1665 area. We'll update that later. On the upside, 1687 to 1689, and looks at this point that might be a pretty hard number to get through. Have a great night, and we'll be back to you tomorrow.